The 2025 Mazda 3 hatchback, stylish, sporty, and packed with features. But is it as fun to drive as it looks? Today I'm going to be spending some time with it, putting it into the test, and giving you my full review. Mazda is known for sharp handling, but what about the ride comfort? Today I'm putting the Mazda 3 hatchback suspension to the test. Will it glide over bumps or send jolts through the cabin? Let's find out.
For hatchback sedan, honestly, the suspension is quite surprising at how good it is. You know what I mean, bro? The suspension is actually quite good for a sedan.
Time to get behind the wheel. Let's take the 2025 Mazda 3 hatchback for a POV drive and see if it's as fun and refined as it looks on paper.
Come on. Let's go in the 2025 Mazda 3. Oh, okay. Car coming. Is there any other car coming? No other car coming. There's a car coming from here. So wait. Honestly, viewing the car is not the best. Blind spot is not the best. But I'm not complaining. It's snowing. Let's go. Ready, guys? Okay, we're gonna push it. Change it to sports mode. It doesn't have paddle shifters, so I'm just gonna drive it like this. Not bad. And this is not the turbo engine, so it goes. Let's go around the corner. Let's see. Ooh, and it doesn't roll. The car doesn't even really roll. That's nice. Oh, the steering wheel is nice, man. The steering wheel is nice. I'm going. Oh, brake as well is sharp. Brake is sharp, man. What the hell, Mazda? What you guys doing? What you guys doing? What? Bro, honestly, I'm not mad at the car. I'm not mad at the car. The engine sounds phenomenal. I put it in sport mode, pressed it down. Boop, boop, boop. We're going. Let's see what the wiper is like. Oh, it has this thing that comes out of it. We have blind spot monitoring. Steering wheel. The test steering wheel, I'm feeling it, but not feeling it like that. But the test seat is hot. It's hot, man. The whole cabin doesn't feel really big. It doesn't feel small. I mean, it feels really spacious for hatchback. I don't know why this thing keeps fogging up. I don't know why. But honestly, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at this Mazda 3, man. I'm not mad at it. And this is not the turbo. This is not the turbo. Let's see what the audio system sounds like. Let's see. Ooh. Come on, let's go. I'm just making a bunch of noise. Let's see. Turning. But a bit. My man is going so slow. Watch this. Watch this. Oh my days. Oh my, flop, metal to the pedal, man. Gas pedal's all the way down. Oh wow, that goes. Wow, Mazda. Even the suspension, man, the suspension is holding its own. Everything just feels so. Let me change it to manual. Downshift. Ooh. Ooh, that was scary. Oh my days. All right, let's put it back. The brake was good though. The brake was good though. It was good though. Come on. After this gear, everybody's calm. Come on, change lane. Nice. Oh my days, man. My almost went to my eyes, my bro. We're good. All right. Bro, the car feels so good, man. It feels so good. Everything about it. The suspension for sedan, the suspension feels so good. The steering wheel is tuned nice. The brake, oh my god, this car brakes like nothing. It brakes like nothing. That's crazy, man. It brakes like nothing, bro. I'm a fan, man. I'm tripping out. I'm fanning out, or what they call it, man. This guy is so good, man. Bro, I rate it, man. I rate the car. Whew, nice experience, the Mazda. Whatever you're doing, keep doing it, man. Keep doing. See, suspension is holding its own, man. So nice.
We are at the liquidation store to do some window shopping. But before we go in, let's take a look at the exterior of the Mazda 3 hatchback.
Look at the exterior. I can see this is the front end, bro. The car just looks so mean. You know, it has this. Before it has this Mazda smile. Now it just has this smile. You know what I'm talking about? See, nice headlight that look really nice, you know. The mesh, blacked out mesh grill that looks really nice with the Mazda logo, you know what I'm talking about. Then we have a bulge line right here that just makes it more aggressive, you know. Let's take a look at the side view, you know. Take a look at the side view, bro. I don't know, there's something about the Mazda hatchback that just makes this car look 50 times better. It looks way better than the sedan. Come on, let's look at the tire. We have this silver coated alloy wheel, the 16-inch alloy wheel that looks really nice. No lines on the side, but we have, you know, a side skirt right here. Everything just makes the car look more aggressive. This is the best angle of the car right here. This is the best angle of this Mazda 3, man. Oh my god. Look with the spoiler, with the way everything just slopes down, with the tail lights, oh my god, with the dual exhaust tips, bro. Mazda, I don't know what you guys are doing, man. We have to continue doing it with this hatchback, man. Everything just looks so nice. Everything just looks, oh my days. But, you know, some plastic here, plastic, bro. We don't really mind, but still, this car is looking tantalicious, man. If I'm to grade the exterior, I'm going to give the exterior A. I'm not saying it's perfect, but I'm saying it's perfect, if you know what I mean. Alright, our next victim. What is this? What is this? So this is just like your scavenging, man. What the hell? Handle for a bicycle, man. The brakes, yeah. Bro, there's just a bunch of random things here still.
Mazda is all about the connected driving feel. But does the Mazda 3 hatchback deliver with its steering? Let's put it to the test.
Oh my god, the steering wheel is like, it's responsive. I like how it feels with the heated seat, the heated steering wheel. Just makes everything 10 times better. The feel of the car just makes it 10 times better, man. I'm enjoying it. I have no complaint, honestly. Mazdas, they be tuning their cars really well.
Visibility can make or break the driving experience. So how does the 2025 Mazda 3 hatchback hold
The
up?
view in the car, I'm not gonna lie, it's not the best. Like, blind spot is not the best. Especially, show the blind spot, please. Blind spot is not the best. The back as well is not the best. But bro, it's a hatchback, man. It's a fun hatchback, so I will take the compromise over getting a nice car that drives really well. I'm not gonna lie, I will take it.
We have Best Buy to look for an SD card reader. But before we do that, let's take a look at the interior of the 2025 Mazda 3 hatchback.
Alright, so taking a look at the interior of the 2025 Mazda 3 hatchback. Alright, come on. If we look here, you have memory seats, you know, your safety controls, soft touch, piano black. I'm not really a fan, but it's calm. Here we have a big cubby space, which is nice. We come here, we have an narrow gauge cluster, you know, coming to the steering wheel. The steering wheel is heated, you know, we have the hands-free driving system and the cruise control system. We have this nice touchscreen that has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and as you can see, it's quite responsive and whatnot. Let's go back to the map. You don't move. I don't know what's going on. You don't move. Okay, come here. We have soft touch, a bit of kind of soft touch, but not soft touch. This is soft touch. I like this because, you know, you can rest your hand here, you know, and touch. You don't have to like be doing like this all the time. You know what I'm talking about. Come on, here we have climate control with heated seats, which is nice to have. Honestly, heated seats is the best. I know Patricia can agree on that. She loves heated seats. Coming here, we have wireless charging pad here. We have 2 cup holders. Patricia just has some wireless charging pad, 2 cup holders, and here we have the gear selector, and we have, you know, designated sport mode button to on and off it. That's it here. You know, your control dial and whatnot. This control dial, you use it when you're not having Apple CarPlay, because this is not touchscreen. This is only touchscreen when you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Alright, come here. Bro, it doesn't want to open. Oh, there we go. That was weird. We have 2 USB ports here. And okay, copy space. It's not even big, man. What's going on? You have a sunroof here as well. Nice sunroof. Honestly, Mazda and the interiors, they always make you feel like you're in a $50,000 car. This car is just like how much? $25,000-$30,000. Alright, let's take a look at the back seat. Take a look at the back seat. As you can see, soft touch comes to the back. It's a bit hard. Soft touch. It comes to the back. Oh, this is a bit. Oh, it is soft touch. But it comes to the back, you know. We have a nice copy space here. This back seat doesn't have heated seats, which is sad to see. Also, no vents, which is sad to see as well. See, no space for hatchback. No space. Headroom is it's okay. Legroom is non-existent. We have 2 cup holders, man. We don't even have any USB Type-C or nothing here. Just 2 cup holders. Mazda, I'm not impressed, man. Push the button here under the Mazda logo. This is the trunk. Alright, let's do the AB trunk test. As you can see, just my leg. Oh my god. Let's just say I fit barely. As you can see, I barely fit. Oh my days. The struggle. And here, do we have spare tires? Oh, we'd like to see that. Spare tires, nice.
We're at Best Buy to get an SD card reader. If you see it, let's play find SD card. I don't even think it's here. Yeah, I don't think it's here. Honestly, guys, we checked. We can't find it anywhere.
I think I'm just gonna get the SD card reader online because I checked everywhere, I can't find it. Well, we're just gonna look around a bit. Oh, GoPro, how much is this? $400. Holy Lord, $400 for GoPro, bro. Who has that money? Not me.
The 2025 Mazda 3 hatchback looks sleek on the outside, but is it spacious enough on the inside? Let's jump in and
for
see.
hatchback, I expected the interior to be really cramped, but Mazdas. I don't know what they are doing, man. It doesn't feel cramped, yeah? Yeah. It doesn't feel cramped at all. It just feels like you're in a car. It's low to the ground, which I actually like. So I'm not mad at it, honestly.
Give it to me. Alright, so we've come to the part. Should you get this 2025 Mazda 3? And honestly, guys, I'm going to say yes. I know what you were thinking. You were going to think I'd say no, but I'll say yes as a condition. The reason why I'll say yes is if, you know, you're a small family, a family of 3, a family of 4, this guy is perfect for you. A student or young professional, this guy is perfect for you. Anybody else, don't get this guy. It's too small, honestly. It doesn't feel cramped in it, but the space in it is quite small. So don't get this car. If I'm to grade your experience of the car, I'll honestly give it a A. I'll see you guys on the next one. It's been your boy AB No Limits. Peace out.